In our fifth index law video in our series of 7, we're having a look at if we have a fraction inside the bracket and a power outside. So that, just like we had in our previous video in number 4, that power outside the bracket applies to both of the items inside. So we would end up with a to the power of m over b to the power of m. So in this case here, we've got 1/3 and it's squared. So we apply the squared to both things there. So we get 1 squared over 3 squared. Now 1 squared is 1 and 3 squared is 9. So some students may look at that and think that the squared hasn't been applied to the top there, but it has because we've done the 1 squared and that's equaled 1. Then we've got here 2 over b and we're raising that to a power of 3. So that power of 3 is going to apply to both of those things. So we've got 2 to the power of 3 over b to the power of 3. Now I'm going to simplify my 2 to the power of 3 to 8 over b to the power of 3. The last one, a little bit more complicated because we've got a couple of things inside our bracket. So our 4 is going to apply to each of those parts. So we're going to have 2 to the power of 4. We're going to have a to the 2 times 4. So we're bringing in that previous law when we looked at number 3 when we had a number outside the bracket. What we do, so we've got 2 times 4, and then on the bottom we've got b to the power of 4. Now I could simplify this. 2 to the power of 4 is 16, or I could leave it as that. I think I'm going to simplify it, and then I've got a to the 2 times 4 gives me a to the power of 8, and then on the bottom I've got b to the power of 4.